Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to enter into the software, your company, and also take you across the dashboard of the software. So here we start. We have created a new company, demo creation company. We enter into that. I've clicked on enter. It is asking me for the username and password. I take the username as 1. I've taken the password also as 1 to make it simple. And I do it, login, I click it, and the dashboard will open. It usually takes around 10 to 15 seconds, and now see it has opened. So I'll be describing to you what all are the major displays like sales, purchase, touch POS, receipts, banking, items, accounts. What is it exactly and what exactly does it do? To start with, let us start with sales. Sales is basically the sales invoices created for supply of material to your customers. In this, if you see, it gives the complete list of bills created. Right now, if you click, it won't show anything because there is no bill created so far. Okay. Sales register is also the list of bills which are created, and the new is a new bill when you want to create. When you want to create a new bill, it's something like, say for example, I click on this, it opens up the screen. Right, and you have to create the bill, which I'll be taking you through in the next video. So here I'm closing it. I'm just making you aware of what is the dashboard comprises of. Same is the case with purchase, bills, register, new. Touch POS. Now this is very useful in case of say a fast food joint or a cake shop or you can take it as any eating joint, wherein you have a touch screen. The screen monitor itself is touch. All you have to do is press on the item and the bill gets created for the same, which again I will take it in my later videos. Point of sales, that is POS. POS is basically for the retail stores, like whether it's grocery, it can be cloth, etc. Okay, coming to receipts, it's basically the receipts of payments received from the customer, from any party for various reasons. Banking, again, if you see, there's details which shows the banking, and also all the bank related entries are done in this module. Items is basically inventory items or the items that you deal in. You have to create the items when we do this. If you see the screen by the new, and you view the list of items. There are many more things in this which will be taking it across in next video. Accounts, again you see is a view list, and the accounts is new. On the left side, if you see, there's a day book which gives you the complete business done, sales done during the day, receivables, payables, in the outstanding, then stock report as of start of the day, end of the day, bill wise profit. This is a very, very, very useful feature. Every bill wise you can track your profitability. Here if you see is daily profit, you can even see your profits on daily basis, that is date wise. You can see your profits bill wise. You can also get the reports, bill by bill reports, the payment, receipts, profitability, everything. Then there's GST R1 for GST R1 and GST R3B 38, right? Okay, so this is what it is. Further I'll take you across in my next video. Have a good day.